Hi everyone, it's Monet. I wanted to show how I do a quick bun. It's easy to do. It takes no more than 3 to 5 minutes depending on the texture of hair you do have. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to brush my hair up into a high ponytail. You can do as high as you want. I typically like my ponytail to be as high as possible because it kind of gives the bun a better look in my opinion. But again, it's however you prefer it to be, how high you want it to be. So by no means necessary, you don't have to do it as high as I do it. So what I'm going to do is take a typical brush and brush my hair up into a ponytail. So my hair is moisturized. I typically use coconut oil or pink lotion to moisturize it. So what I'm gonna do, again, is try to brush it up into a high ponytail. So what I'm gonna do, once I smooth the edges, is try to get the ponytail as high as possible and take the brush to kind of smooth it out. And once I have it as high as I liked, I'll attempt to put in the scrunchie. So one thing I do at the end of putting the ponytail in is typically kind of push it to kind of make the scrunchie tighter to the scalp. Like that, and it really does help. So now that I have a typical ponytail as high to my liking, what I'll do is take some loose tracks. You can get any type of tracks that you prefer. I just get a typical 1 pack of track to wrap around my ponytail. So then you start to wrap it. So what I'll typically do is take the end, tuck it first, and then bring the rest around. And as I'm going around, I'll get tighter and tighter. So now that all I have left is this much, what I typically do is take the last of the end, a little end of the end, and what I do is I begin to wrap it around. And you'll keep doing it until you have no more hair left for this little section. Alright, so when you're done, you'll have this, and what you'll do is you'll just brush it to kind of straighten it out. You can use this or a wig brush or a comb to your liking. And when I say a wig brush, this is what I mean by a wig brush. So now that I have it like this, what I will begin to do, what I do is I twist and wrap. As I twist, I'll wrap. And twist, tighten, and wrap. And you'll do this all the way around again into the hair. It's gone. This much hair, I usually pull it and tuck it. There you go. What you'll get is I have a brush with a comb at the bottom, so I'll use this, and I use the Shine and Jam. This is some good shit. And I'll begin right here. So I am all done, and this is the finished look. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Please give me your honest opinions about it. Make any helpful suggestions. I always look forward to looking up new and better ways of doing what I've been doing. So no negative comment will, you know, impact how I feel. And I am done. And also, if you can refer me or recommend me some new different edge controllers, please comment. I always try to try new products and kind of give my honest review. As far as this Shine and Jam product, it's really good. It doesn't flake up, and it does hold your hair in place all day, which is something I really like. And it is clear, so it doesn't kind of give a color tint to your hair. I really do hate gel products that does that, and this one doesn't. It smells really good, and it's really, really cheap. You can typically find it for $2.99 at your local beauty supply. I did also see that it was at Walmart as well, so you can possibly find it at Walmart also. Again, if you do have some more recommendations on some different edge controls that I can use, again, please comment and I'll give you my honest review on it. But again, this is how I do a quick, easy bun. Thank you for watching.